intense right now. It's not even a headwind yet, it's side wind, but we're about to turn into the headwind, so. Winds seem to be getting stronger, and we got our last little bit of light. The sun is now behind the mountains. We probably got about 15 to 20 minutes of light left. Hopefully we'll be off the lake by that point. We'll be riding the rest of the way in the dark.
Sun is going down. We're moving incredibly slow. It's super windy, probably 30 miles an hour, maybe 20. At least 20.
The Owens Lake is typically very windy, and we were battling winds of 25 to 30 miles an hour